In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your business on Facebook Marketplace step by step, using Marketplace ads to get customers. Whether you're a small business owner, a local shop, or someone selling products online, this guide will give you everything you need to start attracting customers quickly and efficiently. Before we get started, make sure you have access to your Facebook account and a business page ready, because these are the foundation of all your marketplace advertising efforts. Facebook Marketplace has become one of the most powerful platforms for businesses of all sizes. Every day, millions of people scroll through Marketplace looking for products, services, and local deals. This isn't just casual browsing. People on Marketplace are often actively looking to buy, which makes it very different from normal social media posts. With Marketplace ads, you're not just posting something and hoping people see it. You're strategically putting your product in front of the right audience at the right time. The beauty of Marketplace ads is that they allow you to target potential buyers who are already in a shopping mindset. Unlike traditional posts, which reach only some of your followers, Marketplace ads let you reach people based on location, interests, and behaviors, increasing the chances that your product will be noticed and purchased. Whether you're promoting a new product, trying to increase leads for a service, or simply boosting awareness of your business, Marketplace ads are designed to get results. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set up your ad campaign, choose the right audience, create attention-grabbing ad creatives, and track your results. We'll go step by step, so even if you've never run an ad before, you'll be able to follow along and get started. You'll also learn some key tips and best practices that will help your ads perform better and reach more customers without wasting money. So if you've ever wondered how to reach more people, attract more customers, and grow your business using Facebook Marketplace, this video is for you. From setting up your page correctly to understanding the tools Facebook provides to manage your ads efficiently, I'll cover everything you need to know to get started and see real results. Before we jump into creating ads, let's take a moment to understand why Marketplace ads work so well. First, they appear directly where people are already browsing for products. Second, they give your business credibility. When people see your ad with clear images, descriptions, and contact information, they feel confident reaching out. And third, Facebook provides tools to track your ad performance so you know exactly how many people are seeing your listing, clicking on it, or sending you a message. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your first Marketplace ad, target the right audience, and start getting customers consistently. Now, the first step is to open your Facebook business page. If you don't already have one, it's important to create a page that represents your business professionally. Include a high-quality profile image, a cover photo that matches your branding, and a clear description of what you offer. Remember, your page is often the first thing potential customers see, so make it visually appealing and informative. Once your page is ready, we can move on to using the Meta Business Suite to manage your ads. The Meta Business Suite is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the central hub for managing your Facebook marketing. Instead of juggling posts, messages, and ads separately, Meta Business Suite allows you to see everything in one place. Let me walk you through this step by step. First, open your Meta Business Suite from your Facebook page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs: Home, Ads, Inbox, Insights, and more. The Home tab gives you an overview of your page's activity, how many people have viewed your posts, interacted with your ads, and sent messages. Spend a few minutes exploring this section because it gives you insights into what content resonates with your audience. Next, click on the Ads tab. This is where you'll create, manage, and track all your Marketplace ads. Before creating an ad, it's important to plan your goal. Ask yourself, do I want more leads, website visitors, or direct messages? For most Marketplace ads, generating leads or inquiries works best because people can contact you directly through Facebook. Once you're ready, click on Create Ad. You'll see a few options depending on your campaign objective. Facebook will ask you to select your goal. For example, get more leads or boost your page. Choose the one that aligns with your business objective. Your goal is essentially the purpose of your ad, what you want people to do when they see it. This is critical because the ad's design, text, and targeting will all depend on that goal. After choosing your goal, the next step is to create a form for potential customers to fill out. Keep it simple, usually just asking for their name and email address or a short message if you want them to contact you directly. But even something as simple as a lead form is incredibly powerful. Here's why a perfect ad matters. Your ad is the first contact between your business and potential customers. Think of it like a first impression in real life. If it's unclear, boring, or confusing, people will scroll past it without engaging. A perfect ad is clear, visually appealing, and communicates exactly what the customer will get. It captures attention instantly, delivers the value proposition clearly, and motivates the user to take action, whether that's filling out a form, sending a message, or visiting your page. A well-designed ad is more than just an image or a few lines of text. It's a carefully crafted message that captures attention and drives action. The first thing people notice is the visual content, whether it's an image or a short video. High-quality, relevant visuals that showcase your product in action immediately draw the viewer's eye and make them stop scrolling. Along with that, your headline acts as the hook, quickly communicating the main benefit or offer of your product. For example, a headline like "Get freshly roasted coffee delivered to your door" instantly tells the viewer what they will gain by engaging with your ad. The description of your ad should be clear and concise, explaining why your product or service is valuable while highlighting what makes it unique. Avoid long paragraphs because most people skim through content. Instead, keep your sentences short and direct, so the key points are easy to understand at a glance. Equally important is a strong call to action. Whether it's sign up now, send a message, or shop today, a clear instruction guides the viewer on exactly what to do next and increases the likelihood of engagement. When it comes to lead forms, simplicity is key. Ask only for essential information, such as a name, email, or a brief message. The easier it is for someone to submit their information, the more leads you will collect. Every element of your ad, from the visuals to the headline, description, call to action, and lead form, works together to create a high-converting ad that reaches the right audience, communicates your value, and encourages action. On the other hand, a poorly constructed ad wastes time and money. If your visuals are unclear, your message is confusing, or your form is overwhelming, potential customers will simply scroll past without engaging. When creating your ad, always think from the customer's perspective. Consider what would make you stop scrolling, pay attention, and take the next step. By focusing on clarity, appeal, and simplicity, your Facebook Marketplace ads won't just reach people, they will convert viewers into leads and customers, which is ultimately the goal of every campaign. Now let's look at the ad preview on the right-hand side. Here, you can select the media for your ad. You can upload images or videos of your products or use an existing post from your page. This is where your creativity matters. Choose images that are clear, visually appealing, and show your product or service in the best light. You can also write a short, compelling description that highlights your value proposition, like the benefits of your product or why customers should contact you. Below the ad preview, you'll find the audience section. This is where Facebook lets you target your ad to the right people. You can start with the suggested audience based on your business category and then refine it by location, age, gender, and interests. For example, if you're a local coffee shop, you might target people in your city who like coffee and food-related pages. You can also narrow it further to reach a very specific niche that is most likely to convert. Once your audience is set, scroll down to the schedule and budget. Decide when you want the ad to start, how long it should run, and your daily spending limit. You can start small and increase the budget as you see results. After everything is set, enter your payment method and launch your ad. Facebook will review it to make sure it meets their policies, and once approved, your ad will go live on Marketplace. Over the next few days, monitor your Meta Business Suite to track engagement, messages, and leads. You can make adjustments to your ad based on performance metrics, like changing images, adjusting the audience, or tweaking the budget.
By spending time in Meta Business Suite, you'll gain a clear understanding of how your ads perform and how to improve them over time. It's a central tool that helps you manage your Facebook marketing efficiently and ensures you're reaching the right audience with the right message.
Before you go, let me share something important that ties directly into what you just watched. What most people don't realize is that 99% of beginners have no idea there's a completely different way people are making money online right now, and it doesn't require experience, paid tools, or showing your face. This method combines free AI tools like ChatGPT with social media, and it's being used quietly by beginners who never thought online income was possible for them. No complicated tech, just a smarter way of using tools that already exist. If this video helped you, then the next step is simple. There's a free video linked in the description that breaks down this entire system step by step in a way anyone can follow, even if you're starting from zero.